back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I'll be showing you how I make my emumu today. Emumu have a lot of names in many language, and my own language call it emumu, which is Esan. From Edo State, Nigeria. So some parts call it Tanfiri, and while some call it Emumu. Depends on where you are from. So Emumu, we'll be using groundnut. This is fresh groundnut, and I put it for oven for like half an hour. And this one is corn. So a little bit salt. We'll be using groundnut oil and sugar and this dry pepper. And some part of Nigeria still call it Tanfiri, and some call it Donkwa. Depends on where you are coming from. So I will be first of all start by filling the groundnut. I'm using old school way. This is how my mom used to do groundnut, so I'm using that way today. It's kind of funny, but it works. Okay. As you can see, we've done taking out the back of the peanut. So I will start with the corn. So if you are wondering how many cups we take from the corn, I got 2 cups of corn and 2 cups of the peanuts too. We're done with the first one. Okay, so how smooth is it? I'll just be using 1 cup so we can be on the safer side. That one should be enough. I don't want it to be too full. So I see the one I grind before. I was still seeing like one or some piece of oil inside. So just be on the safe side, because you really need a smooth corn for this. So I just had to be doing this one. And I reduce also the measurement of the corn, and I add inside it. This is the last one for the can. Okay, see what we got. These ones. I think I will put them back. You can see what we got out, because the coffee grinder maybe is not that too strong enough to grind the corn. Yeah, but we have to regrind it, and then let's see if we can get it. I got this one for the regrind one, so let's see. We must have to let some go. So we have to let this one go. Yeah. So this is the corn one. Then I will start grinding the groundnut now. I will be using a food processor to grind the peanuts. I don't know if you can see inside. This is how it look like right now. I will continue grinding it. At this time I will add this pepper. It doesn't really matter if that pepper actually grind or not. I will be adding salt. This is the sugar I'm using. Grind. This is how it look like right now. The peanut, they are getting already smooth. Let's join it together. I will be adding the corn flour now. I won't add all of them at the same time. I will just add some, blend, then keep adding, same thing. Point, I will be adding the oil, the peanut oil, for the food processor to do the mixing. Okay, we are done. This is how you need hot water to take all these things out from the blender and your coffee blender too. Wow. I think the mixing is very perfect. This little guy here did a very good job. At least you work with your money. Okay. Okay, so see how the blender really mixed it very well. So this is how you make your Emumu. So I'll be using this cup, this ice cream cutter to cut it. I'm supposed to use my hand to do it, but I don't know. I don't need too much oil in my hand, so you just have to first of all. Then, yay! I think it's actually better in direct hand, having direct contact with my hand. Okay, I don't think I want to do that. Wow! So, yeah, just first of all, as if you want to mold a fufu, pounded yam or fufu, whatever you call yours. Then you roll it. You can cut it to any sizes you like, but this is the size I want to do mine. So I use all the oils, all the ingredients I measured out. I use them 2 cups of corn and then 2 cups of the peanuts, and that's a cup of oil, and I use 2 tablespoons of salt, and then those are 5 peppers. Those are the things we grind together. If you use your palm, your hand to do it, it will be smoother, but yeah, I don't think I really want to do that now. It's okay, however it's smooth, I'm not going to sell it though. I'm still going to eat them. Yeah. So now I have a helper that will help me to mold this so we can go fast. You can see she's really doing her job. Oh my god, I think let's see how my princess do hers. So we see. Okay, I think you slow down after molding it for some time. You slowly down, then yeah. Uh-oh, that can come with another shape though. Okay. You are doing a very good job. Wow, that's smooth. That's smooth. It's smooth. You don't have to be 100% perfect, right, Mama? Good job. Let me see that. Yeah, this is what my princess made. That's so cool. She tried. Do you want to try another one?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me help you join this one together. Okay. You can continue rolling. It doesn't matter how you turn, okay? However, this is the last part of the Emumu. My princess quit because she said it's too hard to be rolling it. So she quit. She did 2 and then she quit. So you can taste this one. Now, today is her first time that she's trying Emumu. She never tried Emumu before. So how did you see the Emumu? Now I remember.
It is sweet and salty.
And
a little bit spicy.
That's true.
Almost like popcorn.
I remember this used to be my snack going back to school. Wow. Thank God for life. We used to have 2 naira in our backpack for going to school. They'll buy Emumu. You know, I don't know why did I forget that something like that was still around. They used to small like this though. This side. Really nice. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Or as you subscribe to our YouTube channel, even the one that do not subscribe, that just click on it and watch. And we still do appreciate you. Please, if it's possible for you to help us to subscribe, we would be very we'll be grateful and then we'll appreciate you. Thank you. Now have a nice day. This is what we got out from the 2 cups of corn and 2 cups of peanuts. Have a blessed day. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.
See you soon.